Everyone knows how to prepare it. Every Italian lover of the stove is sure to possess the perfect recipe. But what secrets will ever hide behind one of the most exported Italian dishes in the world? Spaghetti alla carbonara. Manual to the stove. Ready? Go! Let's start with the cheek bacon. The rind off. I do it in strings and then in lardons. The pan is already hot and in goes the cheek bacon. I let it brown very slowly. As you can see, I didn't add any fats. The bacon will have to sweat first and then it turned crisp. There are several theories about the origin of this recipe. The one that made me smile most dates back to the Second World War with American soldiers in the leading role. The big Stars and Stripes boys combined the pasta they found in Italy with a ration of eggs and bacon, creating a terrific mix. This is apparently the mix which gave the idea to the Italian cooks who developed the recipe. And when the pasta and the cheek bacon are cooking, I deal with the eggs, yolks in the bowl. We add most of the pecorino cheese, nice grind of black pepper. We mix it. Let's dilute the mixture with some pasta water. The cheek bacon is super ready. Let's dive the pasta in nicely al dente and let's flip it quickly. I add the mixture of eggs and pecorino cheese away from the fire to avoid dangerous lumps. A good stir, and we flip it again. Just a tad of pasta water if needed. Must be very creamy. And here it is, the dish that divides millions of Italians, even in its simple preparation, but that then reunites them for its scrumptiousness. Spaghetti alla carbonara. Until next video recipe, I'll taste it. Spectacular.